Today, we will discuss a topic that could transform your view of the world and yourself. Did you know that a geomagnetic storm is on its way? It won't just affect technology, but it could also influence our emotions, our energy, and even our perception of reality. Stick with me until the end, because there's a lot to explore. Before we begin, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. This helps me a lot and ensures you won't miss any important content. Geomagnetic storms are common and occur when solar wind interacts with the Earth's magnetic field, which can produce auroras and affect satellite communications, navigation systems, and even cause radio blackouts. Currently, there is no exact date for when a major geomagnetic storm, like a Carrington event, might occur in the future. These storms are unpredictable events, and despite advances in solar observation, it's impossible to accurately predict when one of extreme magnitude will happen. The Sun follows activity cycles of about 11 years, and we are in solar cycle 25, which is expected to peak between 2024 and 2025. But what many don't know is that this storm could affect our minds and emotions. Geomagnetic storms can also impact spirituality in interesting ways, even though these effects are not widely understood scientifically. Some spiritual traditions believe that these storms affect the Earth's energetic field, and as we tune into the Earth's electromagnetic field, many things can change, influencing people's emotional and spiritual states. Mood and emotional influence. Geomagnetic storms have been linked to changes in mood and emotions. Some studies suggest that fluctuations in the Earth's magnetic field can alter some people's psychological well-being. During these events, some report feeling more anxious, irritated, or mentally restless. Others, on the contrary, may feel an increase in sensitivity or introspection, while others might experience sleep disturbances or headaches. Imagine waking up with a sense of anxiety for no apparent reason or sudden mood swings. This energy can deeply affect us, and for those unprepared, it may feel like an emotional loss of control. But calm down. There's no need to panic. The important thing here is to understand what's happening. All this emotional instability isn't here to harm you, but rather to bring to the surface feelings and issues you've been avoiding. The storm can be an opportunity to face these repressed emotions and thus transform what needs to be adjusted in your life. Beyond the emotional aspect, the storm can affect our mental perception. Some people may feel an increase in the intensity of their thoughts and may even question their sanity. However, this feeling could be an invitation to connect with a deeper part of yourself. Instead of fearing these changes, see them as an opportunity for self-discovery. Lastly, this energy can also impact our energetic field. Spiritually, on the positive side, it's believed that these storms can amplify subtle energies. Some spiritual and metaphysical currents associate these magnetic fluctuations with greater spiritual openness or clarity in practices such as meditation. For those sensitive to energies, these events could promote greater energetic alignment, offering an opportunity for deep introspection or spiritual connection. On the other hand, geomagnetic storms can indeed be perceived as having negative effects on some people, particularly in terms of energy and emotional balance. For people sensitive to subtle energies, these storms can create a sense of disorientation, as if their energetic frequencies were unaligned. For people who are less sensitive, the whole process may seem subtle or not even appear to have happened at all. In the next moments, we will understand how this happens and what we can do to deal with these influences in a positive way. Now, let's explore a fascinating aspect of this storm: its direct impact on your pineal gland, also known as the seat of the soul. For those who don't know, the pineal gland is extremely sensitive to electromagnetic energies. And this storm could affect it directly, as if a switch were flipped inside you, altering your perception of reality in a profound way. Some people may feel disoriented, as if the world has changed in an inexplicable way. Others may experience an increase in intuition, a feeling of knowing something without being able to put it into words. But this phenomenon is not a reason to worry. On the contrary, it is an opportunity to connect more deeply with what is happening within you. Every sensation, whether of discomfort or clarity, brings a message. This moment is an invitation to explore what your body and mind are trying to reveal. The impact of this energy is not limited to the pineal gland. It affects your entire energetic field. Prepare for transformation. This storm is not just a cosmic event. It is a true energetic cleanse. Think of it as a cosmic cleaning, where repressed emotions, fears, and old patterns you thought were long gone may resurface. Although uncomfortable, this process is necessary for your growth. This storm acts as a catalyst for evolution. The more chaotic the process, the greater the potential for liberation. The key is not to resist. The more you fight against this energy, the harder the process will be. Accept it and allow it to purify what no longer serves you, making room for the new. After the chaos, what will remain will be your truest essence, aligned with your purpose. And, of course, this transformation not only affects you, but also the world around you, including the technology we depend on. Imagine the impact a geomagnetic storm could have on the modern world. It's not just our energetic field that will be affected. Technology will also feel this pressure. Power grids, satellites, GPS, and communication systems may experience unexpected interference. Can you imagine waking up and realizing your phone isn't working properly, or the internet is down? Maybe even blackouts could occur. This phenomenon might force a pause in the digital world, something many people aren't ready to face. Don't panic. Events that cause so much damage are rare, and scientists are always monitoring them. And the effects don't stop there. Your body will be the first to feel this intense energy. Sudden headaches, unexpected fatigue, or even dizziness may be signs that your electromagnetic field is adjusting to these new frequencies. Every cell in your body is trying to harmonize with this new cosmic wave. It may be uncomfortable, but it's part of the process of adapting to this energetic transition. During this period, hydration is essential. Water helps conduct energy, and the more hydrated you are, the easier it will be for your body to handle these changes. Listen to the signals your body is sending. If you feel tired, rest. If the headache worsens, slow down. It's time to take care of yourself, as these physical changes are only the beginning of a bigger transformation. Energy and spirituality. This storm not only affects the physical and technological aspects, it also brings an energetic shift to the planet. It's like a line being drawn, separating those ready to evolve and elevate their energy from those still trapped in old patterns of fear and chaos. There's no middle ground. You either use this energy to grow, or you stay stuck in the same patterns. What you feel now will be amplified, both the positive and the negative. Therefore, it's important to be conscious of what's in your heart and mind during this transformative period. Imagine yourself in the middle of an energetic storm. Everything around you seems chaotic, and you feel torn between chaos and tranquility. At that moment, a choice arises. Allow yourself to be swept away by the whirlwind of negative emotions, or use this opportunity to grow and evolve spiritually. What you decide now will be crucial for your transformation journey. The storm, in addition to affecting our physical bodies and the technologies we use, is bringing a profound energetic shift to the planet. This is creating a separation between those ready to evolve and those still clinging to old patterns of fear and insecurity. It's as if an invisible line is being drawn, and you must decide which side you will be on. You can choose to grow, elevate your vibration, and align with love and evolution, or remain trapped in the cycle of fear and chaos. This energy will amplify everything you already feel, whether positive or negative. If you are stuck in fear, it will become more intense. But if you are seeking love and inner peace, this could be the force you've been missing for a leap in consciousness. Conclusion: self-awareness and preparation. We've reached the end of this video, and the big lesson is the importance of self-awareness. Knowing whether the energetic impacts you feel come from a geomagnetic storm, your emotions, or even the spiritual world can make all the difference. Additionally, being prepared to handle these storms is key to staying on your best path. If you liked the content, give it a thumbs up and help us create more videos like this. And in the comments, tell us, have you ever noticed a geomagnetic storm affecting your day-to-day life?